So now student, today we will discuss about Roman numerals. Okay. So here we use some alphabets related to and to denote these Roman numerals, and these all have some value, fixed value, right? So now these all symbols are known as Roman numerals, and these 1, 5 and 10, these numbers are known as Indo-Arabic numerals. Now the value of I is equal to 1, B equal to 5, X equal to 10, L equal to 50, C equal to 100, D equal to 500 and M equal to 1000. Now here we discuss one important rule related to write and form Roman numerals. And students, remember one point here: if we write a smaller Roman numeral on the left hand side of a greater Roman numeral, it means it's a subtraction, right? It subtract with the greater number. It means it's addition, right? If we write IV, because we all know that V equal to 5, V equal to 5. If we write IV, it means 5 minus 1, 5 minus 1, because here I written on a left hand side of a greater symbol. So 5 minus 1 equal to 4. So the value of IV is equal to 4. Now if we write VI, so here this smaller symbol add with this greater symbol, V plus I. What is the value of V? 5. And what is the value of I? 1. So 5 plus 1 equal to 6. So here we use the same method here to write 9, 11, right? If we write IX is equal to 10, because the value equal to 9. Because the value of x equal to 10, so 10 minus 1 equal to 9. And if we write xi, here 10 plus 1 equal to 11. Now student, remember one point here: this V, L and D never subtracted and never repeated, right? Now if we want to write 20, so then we use two symbols of x, right? X equal to 20, mean 10 plus 10. Then if you want to write 30, then we write 3 times x here. 10 plus 10 plus 10, 30. Now if you want to write 300, then we write 3 times C. C means 100 plus 100 plus 100 equal to 300. Write the following in Roman numerals. Now here the Hindu-Arabic numbers are given here. Now how we write 40? Yeah? XL, because you all know that L equal to 50. And here we subtract 10 from 50, so here we write XL, means 50 minus 10 equal to 40. Now how we write 65? So first we write LX. Why we write LX here? Because 50 plus 10, 60. And after that, what is the value of 5 here? And the what is we use V in the symbol of 5. So here we write LX V, right? 50 plus 10, 60 plus 5, 65. Now here we write 98. Now how we write 98 here? Right. So here first we subtract 10 from 100. So we write XC. Then we get 90, right? And how we write 8? V and triple I, right? So we say that 98. We write in Roman numeral XCV triple I. Now how we write 432? So CD, because here we subtract 100 from 500. So we write CD. Then we write 32. How we write 32? Triple X and I, right? So by using addition and subtraction method, we form different Roman numerals and convert Hindu-Arabic numbers into Roman numerals.
Now students, here we solve some other questions related to other chapters. So now the question is, which is the smallest whole number? Yes. So dear students, we all know that the whole number start with 0, right? Say that the smallest whole number is 0, right? Now we take another example here and then another question here, and the question is, how many whole numbers how many whole numbers are there between 32 and 53. So now student, what we do here first we write numbers between 32 and 53. So here we write 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51 and 52, because here we write numbers between 32 and 53. Now here we count these all numbers here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we say that there are total 20 whole numbers are there between 32 and 53. Now students, here we take some other questions also. Now the question is, find the sum by suitable rearrangement. Now here we write 837 plus 208 plus 363. Now students, here we arrange these numbers like when we get multiple of 10 or like 10, 100, 1000 and these type of numbers, because in these type of addition is very easy to add the other numbers. So now here we all know that here first we check these numbers here, because 7 plus 3 equal to 10. So here we arrange these numbers like 837 plus 363. So here first we add these two numbers here, after that we add 208 with the sum of these two numbers. 7 plus 3 10, 0, 1 carry here. 6 plus 3 9 plus 1 10, 0, 1 carry here. 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 3 12 plus 208. Now here we add 1200 plus 208. Now 8 plus 0 8, 0 plus 0 0, 2 plus 2 4, and here we write 1 as it is here. So here we say that when we add these all three numbers by using suitable arrangement, so here we get sum 1408. So here we get sum 1408. Now we take another example here. Now here we have total 4 numbers here, and we add these all numbers by using suitable arrangement, right? So now 3 plus 7 10. So here we add these two numbers here. So here we write 453 plus 647. Then plus, after that 8 plus 2 10. So here we add these two numbers here, 1962 plus 1538. Now first we add these two numbers here. So here we get sum. So 3 plus 7 0, 1 carry here. Then 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 4 10, 0, 1 carry here. 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 6 11. Plus, now we add these two numbers here, 2 plus 8 10, 0, 1 carry here. Here 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 3 10, 0, 1 carry here, 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 5 15, 5, 1 carry here, 1 plus 1 2, plus 1 3. Now here we add these two numbers here, so 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 0 0, 5 plus 1 6 and 3 plus 1 4. So here we get 4600. So when we add these all four numbers by using suitable arrangement, so here we get some 4600. Now students, here we take some another example related to other chapters. Now here we take one question here. Write first 5 multiples of 5. So how we solve these type of questions? So here we multiply this number 5 by natural numbers. So here 5 multiply by 1, 5 multiply by 2, 5 multiply by 3, 5 multiply by 4, 5 multiply by 5 and 5 multiply by 6. Now we multiply these all numbers here. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 6 are 30. Now students, here we count these 5 numbers here, 1 2 3 4 5, because 5 is already given here, right? So the first multiple is already given here, so here we write the other next 5 multiples, 10 15 20 25 and 30. These are the next 5 multiples of 5. Now here we write next 5 multiple of 9. So here we simply write 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45 and 9 6 are 54. So here these all 5 multiples are next 5 multiples of 9. Now students, here we will discuss prime numbers and composite numbers. What are the prime numbers? The numbers other than 1 whose only factors are 1 and the number itself, called the prime numbers, right? Those number having only two factors, 1 and a number itself, so these type of number are known as prime numbers. And what are the composite number? The numbers having more than two factors are called composite numbers, right? Examples of a prime numbers like 2 3 5 7 11 and the other number also. And composite numbers are numbers like 4 6 9 and other numbers. We already discussed one important method related to prime and composite number. We separate prime numbers and composite number by using this method. Here we cross out composite numbers here and circle out the prime numbers. So this method is known as sieve of Eratosthenes. Now here we will discuss important questions related to prime and composite number. So here the question is, write down separately the prime and composite numbers less than 20. So now here first we write prime numbers which are less than 20, and after that we write composite numbers. So here first we write prime numbers here. What are the prime numbers which are less than 20? So prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19. Okay, so these are the prime numbers which are less than 20. Now here we write composite numbers. Composite numbers are 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 18 and okay, only 18. So these are the numbers which are less than 20, prime and composite numbers. Now there is one important question related to prime and composite number here. What is the greatest prime number between 1 and 10? So the question is, what is the greatest prime number between 1 and 10? So which is the greatest prime number between 1 and 10? Right, 7 is the greatest prime number between 1 and 10. Now students, here we will discuss divisibility rules. Divisibility rules. Okay, so in short, here we revise these all rules here. What is the rule of 2? So here we write if unit digit divisible by 2. So if we say that the whole number divisible by 2. Now 3, if sum of digits in a given number, right, divisible by 3. So if we say that the whole number divisible by 3. Now 4, if last 2 digits of a given number, if last 2 digits of a given number divisible by 4, divisible by 4. So if we say that the whole number divisible by 4. Now divisibility rule of 5, if unit digit is 0 or 5. So if we say that the whole number divisible by 5. Now 6, if number divisible by 2 and 3. So if we say that the whole number divisible by 6. Now divisibility rule of 8. If last 3 digits, if last 3 digit mean digit in a ones place, tens place and a hundred place, and the number formed by these 3 digits are divisible by 8. So if we say that the whole number divisible by 8. Now divisibility rule of 9. If sum of digits divisible by 9. So we say that the whole number divisible by 9. Now divisibility rule of 10. So divisibility rule of 10. If a number have 0 in a unit place, if number has 0 in unit place, so here we say that the whole number divisible by 10. Now divisibility rule of 11. Now students, here we discuss divisibility rule of 11. Now here we solve one example here. Here we check number divisible by 11 or not, right? So the number is 61809. Now students, what we do here first we write and we add odd places numbers, and then we add even places number, and after that here we find difference of these two, sum of odd places and sum of even places. and if the sum of and the difference is 0 or divisible by 11, so here we say that the whole number divisible by 11. Now here first we write this number here 61809. Now here we add sum of odd place number, and here we write sum of even place number. Now what are the even and odd places? Here if we write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so the numbers are under 1, 3 and 5 under odd numbers, so if we say that these are the odd places numbers. So now here we add 9 plus 8 plus 6. Now we add these all three numbers here. 9 plus 8 17, 17 plus 6 23, right? After that here we add even places numbers 0 plus 1, so here we get 1 here. Now after that here we find difference, so here we subtract 23 minus 1, so here we get 22, and 22 is divisible by 11. 11 2s are 22, so if we say that yes, this number 61,809 is divisible by 11. So students, here we apply the divisibility rule in the different numbers, and here we check this number is divisible by the other numbers or not. Now students, here we discuss another important question here. Find the least number which when divided by 12, 16, 24 and 36 and leaves a remainder 7 in each case. So now here first we find the LCM of these all numbers here. So here we use division method. Here we write 12, 16, 24 and 36. Now we divide these all numbers here by 2. First start with 2. 2 6 are 12, 2 8 are 16, 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2 and 2 8s are 16. Now again divide by 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 6 are 12, 2 9s are 18. Now again this 4 and 6 divisible by 2. So here we divide these all numbers by 2. Then here we write 3 as it is here. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6 and write 9 as it is here. Now again divide by 2. Here we write 3 as it is here. 2 1s are 2. Then here we write 3 and then 9 as it is here. Now divide by 3. So here we get 3 1s are 3. Now write 1 as it is here. 3 1s are 3 and 3 3s are 9. Now again divide by 3. Write 1 as it is here and 3 1s are 3. Now here we write these all multiples here. 2 multiplied by 2. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Then 3 and 3, right? 1 2 3 4. 4 times 2 and 2 times 3. Now here we multiply these all numbers here. 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48 and 48 3s are 144. Now here we get LCM equal to 144. So dear students, because when we divide the least number by 12, 16 and 24 and 36, so it leaves remainder 7. So what we do here we add 144 plus 7. So here we get 151. So if we say that the required least number is equal to 151. Okay, here we check our answer also. If we divide this 151 by 12, 16, 24 and 36, so here we get remainder 7. And dear students, you also try to solve these type of question from exercise number 3.7 by yourself. Now students, here we solve questions related to types of triangle, right? So there are basically two types of triangle here, naming triangles based on sides and naming triangles based on angles. Now there are three types of triangles based on their sides: scalene triangle, isosceles triangle and equilateral triangle. And according to their angles, there are three types of triangle: acute angle triangle, right angle triangle and obtuse angle triangle. Now dear students, you all know that if the all sides are unequal, so these type of triangle are known as scalene triangle, and if the two sides are equal, so here these type of triangle are known as isosceles triangle, and if the all three sides are equal, so we say that these type of triangle are known as equilateral triangle. So these three types of triangle are based on their sides. Now here we discuss triangle based on angles. Now if each angle is less than 90 degrees, so here we say that these type of triangle are known as acute angle triangle. And if there is 190-degree angle in the given triangle, so we say that these type of triangle are known as right angle triangle. If there is any one angle is obtuse and greater than 90 degree, so we say that these type of triangle are known as obtuse angle triangle. Now here we differentiate these triangle here, naming the types of the following triangles. Now the triangle with length of side 7 cm, 8 cm and 9 cm. So dear student, we observe these all lengths here, and these all lengths are different. So if we say that these type of triangle are known as where the all sides are having unequal lengths, so if we say that these type of triangle are known as scalene triangle, right? Scalene triangle. Now here we discuss the second B part of this question here, triangle DEF with measure angle D equal to 90 degree. And dear students, you all know that if there is 190-degree angle in a given triangle, so if we say that these type of triangle are known as right angle triangle, right angled triangle, right? So you also try to solve these type of question from exercise number 5.6 by yourself. Now students, here we discuss questions and some important terms related to integers. Now here first we discuss multiplication of negative and positive symbol. And dear students, if you have any confusion related to these all terms related to multiplication of symbols and these type of questions in integers, so you also watch previous videos related to this worksheet, right? Now multiplication. So here first we take positive and positive symbol here, then we take one positive and one negative symbol here, then one negative and one positive, and now at the last end here we take two negative symbols here, right? So now plus plus is plus, plus minus is minus, minus plus is minus, and minus minus is plus. So these all symbols and these type of multiplication and symbols we apply in only multiplication here. Now here we discuss addition and subtraction, right? And subtract in symbols. Now here we take the same symbols here, plus plus, then plus minus, then minus plus, and then minus minus. Now students, if there is two positive symbols, so if we say that we get sum in plus. Now dear student, remember one thing here if there is one positive and one negative symbol, so we get our answer, it's totally depend on the number. If the greater number having positive symbol, so we get our answer in positive. If greater number having negative symbol, so if we say that we get our answer in negative, right? And dear friends, you all know that minus minus is plus, right? Minus minus is plus, but here we write our answer with negative symbol. We add these two numbers, but here we write our answer with negative symbol. Now here we take some questions related to integers. Now here the question is, find, and the A part of this question, 50 minus bracket minus 40 minus minus 2. Now students, in the previous worksheets we already told you, first here we solve this bracket here, right? So in these two symbols, here we have multiplication symbol. So dear students, you all know that minus minus in multiplication is plus. So here we write plus 40 here. Now we apply the same rule here. Minus minus is plus in multiplication. So here we write plus 2 here. Now 50 plus 40, 90, and 90 plus 2, 92. So here we get 92 when we solve and when we add or subtract these integers here, right? Now B part of this question. Now here we have minus 13, then plus 32, minus 8, minus 1. Now students, here we open this bracket and here we write minus 13, plus 32, minus 8 and minus 1. Now students, what we do here first we solve this part of this question, because we all know that minus plus is minus, right? And if the greater symbol having like positive symbol here, so here we put positive symbol in our difference. Now when we subtract 32 minus 13, so we get, here we take one borrow from here, right? So this number change into 12 and this number change into 2. 12 minus 3, 9, and 2 minus 1, 1. So here we get 19. And dear friends, remember one thing here, if there is no symbol mentioned with the number, it means it is in positive. Now here we write minus 8 and minus 1. Now after that, 19 minus 8, 19 minus 8, 11, and at the last end, 11 minus 1, 10. So when we subtract and add these all integers here, so here we get 10. Now students, you also try to solve these type of question from exercise number 6.3 by yourself. And there is one important questions related to integer from exercise number 6.1, question number 5, right? So dear friends, you also try to solve these type of question by yourself. So dear friends, we already discussed these type of questions when we discussed integer chapter number 6. So represent the following numbers as integers with appropriate sign, right? So the first question is, a deposit of rupees 100, right? If someone deposit some money in their account, so here we say that this digit is add with the, and this amount will add with the previous amount, right? So here we say that this is plus 100, right? So here we use this symbol with the number and the amount. Now the second one is withdrawal of rupees. So here we say that this amount is negative, right? So if we say that withdrawal of rupees 700 mean minus 700, right? Now an aeroplane is flying at a height (2,000 meters above the ground. An aeroplane is flying at a height 2000 meters above the ground. So dear friends, remember one thing here, if there is the word used here above mean positive and below mean negative, right? So here we write how much, 2000 meter, right? So here we write plus 2000. So dear friends, you also try to solve these type of question from chapter number 6, from exercise number 6.1.